its pleasures did tempt me to stray. I saw not the danger that lurked on the way. The toils closed around me, I knew no release, but Jesus has found me and given me his peace. Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner, and get right with God.
Alright, so about to just harvest some squash here. As you can see, there are some that are growing. And there's one big one right there. I'm gonna take that one. Looks like that one looks ready. Size is fairly decent. And as you can see, there's other kind here too as well. Alright, so I'm gonna take this. No, we don't need that. But this one we do. Cook it. Yeah, this one looks ready. Nice big one there. And we have here some spaghetti squash. It looks like it's all organic. Another one over here hiding. Another one there. Got a zucchini pot in there a bit. And then the zucchini. Zucchini is also growing, as you can see. And that's it. That's the update.
With God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner.